Guys, this is our antique, probably late 80s or early 90s Wood Miser brand sharpener. We don't really know how old it is. We just know it does what we need it to do. Well guys, we've got a couple of walnuts accumulated, and on the ends of these, some people use anchor seal. It's $50 a gallon. For us, this old Home Depot off-grade paint works wonderful. It's $9.99 a gallon most of the time, and your log yard might look a little bit rainbowed. We got some blue and some black and some gray, but that's all right. It's a little bit cheaper than the real stuff, so I'll take it. Say bye-bye.